Downtown San Luis Obispo, who can go wrong? There were a lot of people. This little house, this open house, is a microcosm of larger San Luis Obispo as a whole. I mean, we had people from Santa Barbara.
Actually, this community is really pretty.
It's so sweet. We love the historic district.
Yeah, take a look around. And we had someone from Colorado looking for a home. San Luis Obispo is a small town, and our local banks, local credit unions, a lot of people are here to help. And it's always, if you really want to own a house in this town, talk to me, because I can find houses that are not on the market, and there are people that want to sell. Maybe they're wanting to downsize, or maybe they're moving out of the state.
Are you Kristie Carter?
Yeah.
Your picture is so nice on that sign. I have to.
Thank you. The average sales price in San Luis has increased 26% since this time last year. If you're a buyer and you want to buy a house, you got to just make the jump and do it instead of waiting. Because hindsight, I talk to so many people that say, oh, I wish we had bought then.
Bye.
The time really is now, whether you're a buyer or a seller.
For more information on housing in the San Luis Obispo area, contact Kristie at kristiecarter.com, or you can call her at 805-235-4499.